How to apply beauty filters in Meitu. First of all, open the app and tap on the photo section on the main screen. Select a photo you want to enhance from your gallery or camera roll. Once your photo opens in the editing interface, tap on the Beautify section. Here you can browse through a variety of beauty filters that adjust skin tone, smoothness, brightness, and facial feature. Tap on the filter to apply it and use the slider to adjust the intensity to match your preference. Using beauty filters in Meitu helps you achieve natural looking edits while enhancing your photos for social media, profile picture, or personal collection. Combine filters with other tools like brightness, contrast, stickers, and frames for a more creative and polished final result. Now you know how to apply beauty filters in Meitu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.